It's the cleanest heater.
Yeah, well, they did a lot of work to it last year when Dan hired that repairman.
This has to go to the pilot to light it, remember? Pilot.
Okay, so
To
set it on
you
pilot.
set it, and then once you see that you can press this button,
Okay.
then you can light it.
Oh, okay.
Because if it doesn't stay there, see, if it's here, it won't let the button go down. See?
Oh,
So it has to be on pilot to be able to light it.
okay.
Once you see that goes down, then it's good. Your line's open. I don't use the clickers because they never work. And then just press the button and then you light it. Once you see the flame on, hold it for close to five minutes, a minute, till the sensor warms up. If you see it that it stays on, then it's good. Then you put it back to on, and it'll be good to go.
Oh, okay.
Just hold it for a while until this gets warm. Because if
Oh,
it doesn't
okay.
get warm and you release this button, it'll shut off.
Oh, so you have to start the
And
process
you have
all
to-
over again.
Well, you gotta press the button and light it. It has a starter lighter, but
Yeah, we knew it was out because when we tried to turn it up over here on the wall,
yeah,
it clicked, but it didn't go poof
yeah,
like it usually does.
yeah.
So we knew it was out.
Ours stay on all year long. I already
I
started
don't know why
using
that one went
mine.
out.
Mine
Because it's
already,
so windy, and
yeah,
then you feel a lot of cold air coming through there.
especially that. That's where
Uh-huh.
all your heat goes out. People don't realize that.
Oh, we cover that every year.
Oh, so do I.
We covered all our windows already a couple of days ago.
Yeah.
Oh, you know what, Chris? I want you to see if you can fix that thing up there on top of the heater up there. It's kind of loose.
But the thing,
On
Yeah,
the sides.
the side over here. If you can see if
Yeah.
you can put it back in.
looks like it. See, it's stood on. See, once
Oh.
it stays on, then you can put it back on, and then your heater's good to go.
Oh, okay.
That's it.
Well, I'm glad. Yeah, because Jerry's like, well, what if